Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the screen time updates on TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application and make sure that you are signed or logged in with your account. And after that, you can see in the down side here there is a several section. To activate the screen time updates, you just need to visit your profile. And in this profile, we just need to take a look on these three straight lines on the top corner on the right side. And after that, go visit your settings and privacy. And in this settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found the content and display. And after that, you just need to visit this activity center. In this activity center, you will see the screen time of you using the TikTok, and then you just need to go click see all screen time data. And to get an update of the screen times, you just need to make sure that you already turn on this weekly screen time updates. Make sure that the button is already in a green color. Whenever the button is in a gray color, just go click it to make it green. And whenever it's become green, so these screen time updates will also already activated, and you can get the updates on your inbox. So that's the way how to update the screen time on TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys. And I'll see you for the next video.